Hello everyone. Today we are going to see on IICS tutorial series about how we can work with the Excel files. Okay. Now see here, if I want to work with the Excel files, we should remember two things. First it is component. Okay. Then transformation. Why we want to use that component means inside the component only we are going to place our Excel file. Okay, after that we want to call the Excel file, that is component, inside the mapping. Okay, inside the mapping, in the sense in the transformations you are calling. Okay, now see here, our component, it is ISM, intelligent structure model. Okay, in this intelligent structure model only we are going to place our Excel file. Please note it down, inside the intelligent structure model. Okay, this component only we are going to place our Excel file. Okay, after it will discover the structure, then we can call the ISM, intelligent structure model, to the mapping with help of the structure parser transformation. Okay, with help of structure parser transformation we can call that intelligent structure model. You can know that practically how it is working when we are creating the mapping. Okay, before that, if you want to know about how we can export the Excel file, I already uploaded one small session. Please check our channel, you can get it up. Okay, recent one day I uploaded. Now we can take our source and target. Now see here, have located my Excel file in the flat file location. Okay, once you have located the Excel file, you want to create one text document. Okay, inside the text document you want to give the path of your Excel file. Okay, this is my path here, C drive. Inside the C drive I have created the flat file source. After that I have placed my Excel file. Okay, please remember that whenever you are using that file, you should give that extension. Okay, .xlsx, like that you should give that extensions. And also the first line, it should be always header. Okay, the name it is like a file path or file or path, like that you should give that header one. Okay, now close this one. This is my source and my target, it is Oracle one. I already created one target table. Okay, now this is my target table. Okay, the data will be populated here after done the mapping. Now we'll move to the data integration. Now first we want to create that component ISM. Now see here, in that ISM, intelligent structure model, see here, component intelligent structure model. Okay, now just read it. After you create ISM, okay, intelligent structure model, you can associate it with a structure parser transformation and use that transformation in a mapping. Okay, that is, once you have created ISM, this ISM will be associated with the structure parser transformation. Okay, now close this one. First we want to give the name for ISM. I am giving that ISM underscore departments. Departments 1. Okay, the location, it is default and we have that two place it is there. Okay, file sampling, enter file or schemas. I am taking that file sampling only. Okay, and you want to know that what is the difference, just you click on that question mark, you can get it, that what is the difference between the file sampling and enter file or schemas. Okay, now choose your Excel file. I am choosing my Excel file, it is department, DEP. Okay, once you have chosen the Excel file, you can see your discover structure. Once the structure it is discovering, you can get here the tree structure, here you can find that we have that 4 column it is present. Okay, if you want to rename your element, you can just double click it. I am giving that department DEPT. Okay, now save your ISM, that is intelligent structure model. Okay, once you saved, now see here it is created successfully. Okay, now go to new and create the mapping. Now I am giving my mapping name, it is M underscore structure parser, because here we are using the structure parser transformation. That's the reason I have given the mapping name, it is M underscore structure parser. Take your source, give the connection and get the object. Here please listen it, we should select the path of the file only, not Excel file, input file.txt. After that, take the transformation, structure parser. Once you have taken the transformation, here from that both upstream and downstream, it is getting the disabled. Pipeline, it is disabled. Now go to structure parser and take your intelligent structure model name. Okay, our structure parser name, it is ISM underscore departments 1. Select this one and now see here, before that it is disabled. Now we can connect to the structure parser transformation to upstream and downstream. Okay, and select the group. Here our group, it is DEPT. Click on OK. Now go to transformation. First we have seen that structure parser. There we have selected that ISM. Okay, and our output is in the form of the relational only. It may be the JSON also. We can see in the JSON how it is output it is present in that upcoming session. First we will see on that relational in the form of tables. Now go to incoming field. Okay, now from the incoming field, what is that? It is present file path only, it is present. Okay, now go to that field mapping. In this field mapping, you should map the file path to this file path. Okay, after that you can see here in that output field, we have that 4 field it is present. Okay, department ID, department name, manager ID, location ID. Okay, now we have taken our Excel file, okay, with help of that structure parser transformation and ISM. Now go to target, select your target connection and also object. Our object name, it is, just copy this one. Now paste it here, search it, you can get the target table name, select that particular target table name and after that go to field mapping. See here both are in the same field it is present, just I am doing that smart map here and save your mapping. Now start to run. Go to my job. First it is starting, then it is queue, then it is running, then we can get the status whether it is success or failure or rejected. Now you may have doubt like in Excel file, okay, can we use that more than one file? Okay, and we can load to the target. Yes, we can load to the target. Okay, that we'll see in that upcoming session how it is working. Now see here, the rows processed, 27 rows is processed. Just double click in that mapping. Okay. From our source, we got that only one success rows. That is in the sense, the file path. Okay. One line only it is present. And based on that structure parser and intelligent structure model, we got the 27 records here. Okay. Now go to Oracle SQL Developer. Now execute select start from ISM underscore departments. Okay, now see here the data it is present, the count rows it is 27 rows it is presented. Okay, this way we can use it, the structure parser transformations. Okay, why structure parser transformation we are using? Because we have taken our source, it is in the form of the Excel file. Whenever you are taking that Excel file, we should create the component. Okay, intelligent structure model we should create it. Inside the ISM, we should place our Excel file. There we have that option discover structure it is present. With help of that, we can place our Excel file. Okay, then we should use that mapping. Okay, in that mapping transformation called that structure parser transformation. Okay, there we should call that ISM. Okay, intelligent structure model we should call it. The respected Excel file where you are located, that file you should call in that structure parser transformation. With help of that, we can load the Excel file to the target. Okay. Thank you for watching. If this session is helpful for you, please subscribe it, comment it, share it, like it. If you have any doubts on IICS SQL or data warehousing, please post a comment. We'll see you on that upcoming session. And also have created the blog. Okay, for that SQL and IICS, and also I attached in that each of the videos descriptions. Please check it. There you can find out the more than 40 plus SQL interview questions and answer, as well as IICS series also. Thank you.